Good morning friends, welcome to my village and today I'm again here practicing my English. I'm learning English, so this is my practice video. I do practice daily here at my field outside of my village where no one is, and so you can see I'm all alone. No one is here. It's empty field area, and now this time you can see all crops cut it out. You can see there is a lot of wheat plants all cut it, and there is mustard plants extra, and yeah, some sugar canes, and now some little sugar cane planted here. So I came here to practice my English because I'm learning English, so it's very good to practice. If you do daily practice, then your English conversation will improve very fast. So that's why I'm here, and also my spoken skills a little bit improving. It's now my third session for uploading, and I did a lot of practice. So many videos I have recorded and that was not quite good, so I deleted and I uploaded a few. So it's I think my third session, and so I came here, and you can see there is a thresher. This is the thresher, and now it's threshes all wheat plants. Now you can see it's cut by machine harvester, and this is cut by hand, and after threshing you can see like this extra. That's the fodder for cows and buffaloes, and many fields here cut it out by machines. And also you can see this is big mustard plant. So I came here every day. So guys, I live in village, and you can see there's a very pure everything. Air, no pollution, no population much, no crowd, no honking, everything very serene. You can feel the serenity of here. And now this time it's dry, it's April, so this time not much greenery. Otherwise there are lots of green everywhere because it's a field. So here lots of rice will plant, then all will become lots green. So it's time quite empty, and it's very good. Come here, that's my village, and here you can see big plant, all cut it only machine, big machine. And you can see guys, this is boring, and yeah, you can see this is boring, and people bring here our motor and pump set for irrigation. So you can see this type of making a boundary type, so people irrigate. It's very good if you are trying to speak English, so you have to practice, because without practice you can't speak. So it's very necessary if you do practice. If you are reading, you are not practicing, so it's not good. So that's why I'm practicing here, and here no one is stopping, no one judging me, because when I speak in public, people look at me, people judge me, what is saying, he's speaking, people judge. So here no one judging me. So you can see there's a plant, and it's a very sticky plant. It's stick on the cloth, so you can see only that types of plants left here. Otherwise all dried, because it's a very hot season here in North India. Yeah, and also guys, if you are trying to speak English, so you have to explain everything. So when you will explain, not coming exact sentence, exact words in your mind. So if you do, then it will be good. So when you explain everything, it will a challenge to your mind, and your mind will search new words, new sentences for this. So you can see this is wheat plant, it's wheat plant extra, and there is a lift spare, and yeah, you can see it's also mustard field, and here lentil. So guys, many types of plants planted here our area. So you can see It's a wheat plant, it's a lentil plant, because you can't see anything like plant, so it's like empty, but it was lentil plant. So you can see a little bit lentil, so you can see one lentil left, and that's a mustard plant. So I came here and practice. I do daily, not do daily, I occasionally, someday I not feeling good, so not come. And today is cloudy day, so you can see it's I think at 7 a.m. so it's a very cloudy day, not sunny. Otherwise in the morning, in summer season, very high sunlight come at 7. It's a feeling very, very good. It's a little bit freezing, so it's a very good feeling. And also, guys, you can see there is a different types of plant. It's a sticky plant also, so you can see a very good flower here in field. And also this types of, and also different types of plants here. It's all herbs and some beets also, so you can see this is different type. I'm also seeing this is first time. And yeah, let's see another different types of, oh my god, it's also I'm seeing first time. It's like a cumin, but it's a very unique types of. So these types of my locality, my area. So I came here, and no one here, I'm all alone. I can, whatever I do, whatever I speak, I can speak. So it is very good, and I'm going to again there. I do daily 10 minutes. My duration is 10 minutes each session. And if you do daily 10 minutes, it will improve your journey very fast. If you do only 30 sessions, I think it's very good. And also you can do like this, record your video, and also you can upload your video a little bit rough on your channel. Everyone has channel on the mobile, so you can upload, so you can see later how I was when I was beginner. So it's a memory. Otherwise you can collect your videos like number 1 session, 2, 3, 4, 5, this, and after 10 to 15 you'll see huge changes. So that's why I'm doing. When I was first 2 sessions, there was quite not good. I was stumbling, not come in my mind, not bring out in my mouth sentences. So I stopped middle of the conversation. And now this time I'm very fluent, and it's my, I think 20th session, and for uploading it's my 3rd session. So I'm seeing my confidence also very gaining, and my fluency also increasing. I'm not stopping middle of the conversation, not stumbling, not and coming exact sentences, exact word in my mind. That's also I got improved. So I did today's also session, and I'm very grateful that I did today. So thank you very much. So you can see all dry places. So guys, here not vegetables area, not any green area, because it's quite far from village, and not good irrigation system here. That's why people here only grow like a mustard and wheat plants, and very close by the roadside, and where good irrigation system, so there people plant some vegetables, some cow fields, some sugar cane, some other crops. So you can see there is a green area, so all cow food, and there is also some sugarcane plants. So now guys, that's it in this video. I'm very grateful that I did today, and please let me know what I did wrong, what I should improve. So it's I'm very happy and very grateful to God that I did, and thank you guys for viewing this session. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.